How to use aloe vera on face at night for skin lightening. Aloe vera gel is laced with vitamins, mineral and nutrients that can help to lighten the skin, reduce the skin tanning and restore the skin's original color. This is why when aloe vera gel is mixed with other products, mainly the skin lightening agents, then the efficiency of aloe vera also increases, thus gives skin whitening and much faster time. Lemon juice with aloe vera makes a great combination to make the skin tone fairer and lighter faster. You need to take 1 teaspoonful of lemon juice and mix that with 1 teaspoonful of aloe vera gel. Mix both of these natural ingredients. Take a little bit on the fingers and apply that on the face and massage gently. Keep that on the face and wash that overnight. You have to do that every day in order to get maximum benefits in skin lightening. Massage cream with milk and aloe vera for skin lightening. You can also take benefits of lactic acid in milk by mixing milk with aloe vera gel for skin lightening benefits. Mix aloe vera gel and milk in equal amount and just like you apply massage cream. Use this to massage the face. Do this daily while you go to sleep. This can be done by all the skin types, but normal to dry skin will get appropriate benefits.